Welcome to Airbus. We want your visit to be both enjoyable and safe. Your safety and that of our employees is very important, so please pay attention to the following information. Your visitor badge must be worn and visible at all times. As a visitor, you'll be accompanied by an Airbus host throughout your visit. Photography is strictly prohibited unless you have permission from your Airbus host. Phones should not be used unless you are standing still and in a safe place. Smoking is not allowed inside any buildings. Smoking shelters are located externally, and your host can tell you where they are. The smoking of e-cigarettes is permitted in external areas only. With the exception of water, food and drink is not to be consumed in any manufacturing areas. Airbus cares about its environmental impact, so please place waste in the correct bin. You may need to visit a production or test area that presents further hazards. At these times, you will be asked to wear personal protective equipment or PPE. This may include ear protection, eye protection, head protection, and safety footwear. These items will be given to you by your host, who will also tell you when and where you need to wear them. Please return the PPE to your host at the end of your visit. Please obey all safety signage while on site. And when moving around the factory and test areas, it's important that you keep to the safe pedestrian routes. These are marked in grey with red outer lines. If you have to leave these walkways at any time, please ensure you are wearing your full personal protective equipment. At various points, you may see safety barriers. These are here for your protection and must not be crossed at any time. When using stairs, please use the handrails provided. Please walk and never run when moving around the site. Most of our production and test areas operate overhead cranes. Never walk under a crane if it's in operation. Be aware of moving vehicles inside and outside our facilities and use safe crossing areas when crossing external roads and internal delivery routes. If driving between buildings on site, please observe all speed limits and be aware of other motorists and pedestrians. Please familiarize yourself with our emergency evacuation procedures and meeting points, which your host will point out to you. In the event of an emergency, an alarm will sound. When you hear the alarm, make your way to the nearest emergency exit in an orderly fashion. Emergency exits are marked with green signs. If you see anything you think is unsafe, please inform your host immediately. Your safety here at Airbus is of paramount importance to us. Remember, your host is here to help you, so if you have any questions or are uncertain of any procedures, then please do not hesitate to ask them. Thank you for your time. We hope you enjoy your visit.